Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. Hey guys, Jiven here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my hair care routine and how I wash my hair in the shower. Just turning on the shower right here and adjusting the temperature. So after adjusting the water temperature, I'm good to go. First off, I usually start off my shower by washing my hair with plain water. Just scrubbing it, just wash off any dirt. As for shampoo, I personally have some dandruff, so I use Head & Shoulders. And in this video, I'm using the 2-in-1 Men's Oat Spice Head & Shoulders. Yeah, just apply generously to your hair, scrub it in. Make sure you get the roots of your hair as well. And once you do that, you can wash it under the water. I'm rinsing it really carefully, just all over. Next, I will use my conditioner, and the conditioner I'm using right now is a coconut milk scent. And after showering from this, your hair will smell like coconut. So in the same way as applying the shampoo, just scrub it into your scalp and make sure you get it all over your hair. It's important that you remember to use conditioner because after using shampoo, oftentimes it leaves your hair brittle and prone to damage, which will make your hair appear thinner. And usually people shower using shampoo, so I really recommend you to use conditioner after, as it helps restore your hair oils, nourish your hair and scalp for maximum health. So after a few minutes of showering, you can see that my camera lens is getting foggy and misty. This is caused by the condensation of water vapor from the air from gas formed by small water drops. As you can see, I'm just petting my hair softly, be careful of not breaking the hair. Yep, and I'm out. Just walking to my room right now. After the shower, if I remember, I usually try to add some moisturizer to my face. Over here, I'm using aloe vera. Moisturizing your skin after a shower is actually really important for combating dry skin. When you moisturize, some of the water actually gets trapped on your face to help keep your skin moist. Trapping some of the water on your skin is important to stay hydrated, so you need to moisturize immediately after your shower. And now I'm just air drying my hair. I don't usually like to use the blow dryer if I don't have to, and in this case I'm just staying at home, so I'm not using the blow dryer. Anyway, this is it guys. If you like this video, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time.